tonight, after our footwork exercise, we did 3 versions of a behind the back whip. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Groove, free spin. From this side,
So we all feel that same.
1, 2, 3,
And
and
the city
4,
like comes out
and
and
5.
inspections, they make sure the
Groove,
steps are all the same size. Yeah.
groove,
So everyone has,
free spin.
All
And
this is
then we
like
did
completely thought out.
the next version
We were
up,
so young.
which was
If one little step is a little off,
1,
we'll
2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ended up in a left to left. We didn't do anything after that. We just went into our next level on the whip. But this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Then we took it up a notch and we did a tandem turn with a hand change behind the back and a rock and go. So it went like, let's start from this side. It went like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. You could end up walking on your anchor depending on how effectively we got there. Did we do it on this side already? Let's try from this side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. And that was what we did. Thanks, guys.